Hey, Adam here with Georgia Spa Company. Today we're going to share some tips on the At Ease Inline Sanitizing System. After you've initially balanced your tub's alkalinity, pH, and calcium, we're now going to move towards the box side of the setup, and you're going to have a few things in the box. You're going to have your test strips, your jump start, and 2 cartridges. The first thing we want to do is add the jump start to your hot tub. And that's going to establish a smart chlor level and clean out any contaminants that came out of tap. Once you've established and ran that for 15 minutes, then we're going to move to the 2 cartridges. The first cartridge is your blue cartridge, is your mineral cartridge, and you're going to have a dial on the side, allows you to set it between 1 and 6. The important thing about the mineral cartridge is setting it all the way at 6, and that will last you 4 months. And then you have your Smart Core cartridge, and that's going to last between 2 and 4 weeks. The dial on the side is going to be set from 1 to 6. Again, if you look at your maintenance guideline sheet, this is going to be based on gallons. So look at that chart and set it to the setting. This particular tub, we're going to set it to a number 3. Once you have those 2 set, you're going to reinstall it back into the cartridge holder on the hot tub. After 1 week of use, you want to go back and test all your balancing chemicals as normal. But the main thing we're looking for on the At Ease Inline System is to make sure that we have the right level of sanitation in the water. And the way you test that is at the very top of your test strips, there's a green patch. This is going to show if you're low on sanitation or too high. And the way you adjust that is take the silver cartridge out. And if you're low, you want to bump it up 1 setting. So say you're at a number 3, let's boost it up to a number 4 and wait another week. If you're high, we're going to go in the opposite direction and reduce it by 1. Now, another thing to think about is these cartridges last 2 to 4 weeks. So you might be empty as well. So if you shake the cartridge and there's nothing in there, it's time to replace. Something you could do also to help with reminders is join our home auto ship program, and we ship you these cartridges out so it reminds you when to replace the cartridges. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please reach out to us by email or phone. You can also visit us online at georgiaspacompany.com.
Relaxation, right where I want to be.